1 second. Take me. Okay. That's ready. Yes, cut.
Thank you. This way, sir.
How many stadium participate?
Berapa mat mutu asna?
Yeah, seen you on the open wall. There was one open wall, right?
The voice that told her that back in the light.
But it was initially, I think, water sporting, it is not correct. Now it is maybe 1.5 years. Now it's water sport also. Water sport, and there are overall I think around 70 to 80 activities.
This is Ritesh Patel and I am from Himachal Tourism. I'm based in Mandi. Mandi is the center of Himachal Pradesh, and in Mandi, if we start and talk about Mandi, we have different places like Parashar, Rivalsar, Barot Valley, where you can even have the best trout fishes of northern India. And next to that, there are many hidden places and virgin places in district Mandi. And as we talk about Himachal, Himachal is a hub for, you can say, for tourism. You have everything over there, from waterfalls, rivers, to mountains, to trekking, to adventure activities, to leisure. Everything you'll find in Himachal. People know about the famous places like Shimla, Manali, Dharamshala. But again, if you talk about Himachal, there are a lot more places to explore, which people don't know about till date.
No, but
These
how
stuff,
do you see this type of travel marks and all, and exposure especially for us?
exactly, because this is the platform. This ITM is the platform, and other exhibitions are the platform where we can tell people about the new places, the virgin places, where according to the taste of people, what they like, we can provide them the information in these type of fairs.
Now, in one way, COVID has brought famous as far as tourism is concerned. But at the same time, if you see in the country, states have got domestic tourists in a number of it. How do you see that?
This, if you talk about the first month of 2021, Manali was almost packed. There was lakhs of people who have visited Manali, Shimla, Dharamshala in January. They have enjoyed snow. We have a lot of people have come to see the Rohtang Tunnel, which is the limelight place right now. If you go beyond, people are being allowed now again to visit Atal Tunnel and go beyond Manali and see the barren lands of Kaza, the Lohal and Spiti. Spiti is the other side, which is right now you can even access it by Kinnaur Valley. But again, if you talk about Manali, we are Shimla, Manali, Dharamshala, Dalhousie, Chamba, we are getting a lot of crowd as of now. But again, by these exhibitions, we would like to tell people that there are many other destinations which are waiting for tourists to come over there and enjoy the place.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you.
About something unique features of Gujarat. We know you come from this place, from the Prime Minister's state. So, what are the things that you can showcase in front of the tourist, which you want to highlight here?
So my name is Bakulat Gamkar and he is Mohammad Shahbaz. Our office is in Mumbai, Nariman Point, and our head office is in Gandhinagar. So talking about Gujarat, we have many things to offer in terms of destinations. For now, as you can see, the theme here is based on Statue of Unity, and within 2 years' time there have been many developments in terms of what do we say, infrastructure and activities that one can see. So you have Arogya Van, you have firstly to start with Statue of Unity viewing gallery, you have a laser show in the evening, and to add to it you have Arogya Van, you have Vishwa Van, you have Ekta Cruise and Jungle Safari. Recently there was Seaplane which was inaugurated, and Nutrition Park. And then talking about rail connectivity, recently Honorable PM Narendra Modi had virtually inaugurated the rail connectivity from Kevadia. Yeah, 8 major trains from Kevadia
to overall states of the for different parts of the country. We have mainly 8 trains, like from Madhya Pradesh, Rewa, and from Vadodara, from Ahmedabad, and to many other states as well. So majorly we are promoting statue nowadays. Apart from that, we have another places in Gujarat, like Run of Kutch, which is another very famous place in Gujarat. So another our major destination, White Run, we are promoting that also. Apart from that, Somnath, Sasangir, the Asiatic lions, we all know the only Asiatic lions found in India are in Sasangir. With that, we have Dwarkadisham temple in Dwarka, Bet Dwarka, we have Jamnagar, Junagadh, all the attractions overall.
So what are you all expecting this year for this coming to tourist season in Gujarat especially?
Sir, mainly it's like we have our tourism department is focusing on the footfalls of the overall people. So and we are getting good numbers because overall for statue also and for other places also most of the slots are booked. So we are getting good numbers.
How important is such type of a travel mart?
Yeah.
Especially when it is been held in Goa.
Yes.
कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है आपके स्टेट के लिए?
सर बेसिकली अगर हम गुजरात की बात करें, गोवा के लिए तो हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि गोवा खुद अपने आप में एक बहुत प्रोमिनेंट डेस्टिनेशन है और हमारे लिए यहाँ से लोगों को गुजरात ले जाना एक बहुत ही टफ टास्क हो जाता है. तो वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट कि हम लोगों को इतना अट्रैक्ट कर सके गुजरात के लिए कि वो आए और गुजरात घूमे, देखे, खासकर रन देखे और स्टैचू देखे जो हमारे मेन डेस्टिनेशन.
Unless and until we don't give information, basically the travel mat, the whole reason behind it is to inform or rather reach out to a bigger number, and such travel mat helps us to reach out to a bigger number. So hopefully, let's see, fingers crossed, and we are looking forward for this particular travel mat. Thanks a lot.
My name is Amanpreet. I'm from India Travel Mart.
So this is like we have organized this exhibition India Travel Mart after the post-COVID-19, after the pandemic. So we've got a good response, and we have done, prior to this, we have done exhibitions in Lucknow, in Ahmedabad, in Jaipur, Delhi, and Chandigarh. We started in the month of November. So that's basically an awareness among the people that tourism is restarting, it's opening, and you can come and you can gather all the information about the tourist destination you want to go. It is under one roof. You can come and you can visit. The entry is free. First 2 days are B2B for all the travel agents and hoteliers. They can come and they can meet, they can have exchange of ideas. And the third day is B2C. The
Sir,
timings.
it has been a long year, so many years you all have been organizing this.
Yeah, it's been a decade that we have been organizing the exhibition.
So how it has been, especially in Goa, when you see
So
Goa
we're
being a
getting-
tourist destination
Right.
and having a travel party there.
Right. So we're getting a good response. Every year we have like new participants. Like if you talk about the travel agents, if you talk about hoteliers. So every year we keep on adding up with the exhibitors. So we're getting good response from the Goan tourism industry.
If you see the last year, due to COVID pandemic and all, there were not much foreign tourists. It was especially a basic domestic segment tourist. And how it has been, and how do you see the future tourism season?
See, future, like things are restarting nowadays, and tourism is opening in all the states all across. So we are expecting a good start with the people to come and visit the different destinations.
As an organizer, which are the important states that people or which of the companies or hotels come and or tourists come and ask you all, saying that we want to go in this state or that state?
See, we organize exhibitions in different cities. Like for example, we do in Chandigarh. We capture the Punjab market, Chandigarh, Amritsar. Then we have exhibition in Goa. We have done in Ahmedabad. Then we have upcoming destinations in exhibitions in Jammu and Dehradun. So different cities have different aspects. So people, they have different interests depending upon the city.
And how long this will go on? For how many days and all?
So this is for 3 days starting from today. It is going to end up on Saturday, the 13th, and the timings for first 2 days are 11 to 6, and the last day we have kept it 11 to 5.
Okay.
Thank you.